The angle I'm coming at this from is that the practice of cloud busting should prove to you your innate power to affect your reality by intention. So this is obviously something that's is important when spellcasting, but also in the act of consecration and charging of tools and any other materials used in magic. Now, I don't know why this form of psychokinesis or telekinesis is easier than most forms, but I do have some ideas about it. And it may be something to do with the clouds are in motion already, and so less energy is required to sort of maintain movement in some way, and of course more energy is needed to initiate movement or motion, and that is one of the laws of momentum or motion. I'm not sure which, I'm not a scientist. Another idea is that we know that clouds are not solid, and so this may help to override our natural disbelief or skepticism about what's possible, so that we know that we imagine that we cannot move solid objects other than physically, but it may be something to do with our perception. So if it's not a solid object, we may sort of override those doubts that we can make a difference or make something happen. So we know the cloud is already in motion, and we know that it is not a solid object. But another idea may be that all the elements are involved in some way with cloud busting. Clouds are in the air, they're made of water, we are using our will, which is fire of course, and we're operating in the earth realm. And clouds occupy air, and there's a strong connection in occult thought between air and spirit. So when we're charging or consecrating or adding our intent to spell work, it's so easy, and it happens to me a lot. I think, am I actually doing anything here? But cloud busting is quite simple and tends to work every time, even if in this very underwhelming example that I have on the video here. So it's worth a try, and it can prove that yes, you are actually doing something. Your intent is having an effect on your physical world.